this? I'm in a rush. I done woke up today. Can you see me? Let me put you up. We're in a rush. I'm on my way to Colombia. Well, I'm not on my way to there yet, but I got an appointment to get my teeth, my bottom row of veneers done by Montoya. And I have a passport, but I lost my ID here. I lost my, damn, am I gonna need something to get this? Or can I just use my passport? Am I gonna need something, or can I use my passport?
I've never been out the country. Oh wait, what, for your identification?
Yeah.
You used your passport last time.
Oh, you're right. But
get your license and your ID.
All right, okay. Hang up, sis. I could figure it out. But I'm in a rush right now because I gotta go to the DMV, and I don't know how DMVs is in other cities, but the one by my house, literally they're always like packed. So I'm trying to get there. They open at 8:30, so it's like a good 20-minute drive for me, and I was trying to get there at 8:30, but that's not gonna happen. After that, I'm saying we, like I'm with somebody right now. After that, I gotta go to the bank because I'm only using cash, and he only accepts cash or credit card, and yeah, cash it is. And then I really can't hear out the sound of out my ear, and it's pissing me off, like pissing me off. And then after that, I'm gonna go to the actual airport because they're doing construction at the airport that I'm going to. Excuse me, got a flight to catch. They're doing what is it? Y'all, I can't think straight. I just got up like 10 minutes ago. They're doing, and I need to put on some sunglasses because sis look crazy right now. I'm saying that like I actually care. Girl, I don't get no fuck. Wig crusty, girl. This first 2 minutes is about a whole bunch of nothing because I can't even think straight. They're doing construction on the airport, so I gotta leave quick to get down there, and I'm driving myself, so I gotta go find parking. Y'all, I just tweeted the other day, like, driving to the airport and paying for parking is a big flex that I would never do. And look what I'm doing. I just jinxed myself because can't nobody take me to the airport, but it's cool. It's alright. Nobody's life revolve around mine, so it's cool. It's alright. I'm gonna remember that. No, I'm just playing. So I'm done at the DMV, and I'm trying to figure out if I'm finna go. I still can't hear out of one of my ears. I'm trying to figure out if I'm gonna go because I need a tripod. Do I want to go to the store, or do I just want to like wing it? I think I'm gonna wing it. And I think I'm gonna be pissed off when I just really don't feel like getting out the car again, but I have to get out the car anyway to get cash. So it's like, sis, you might as well. But sis ain't going to. Girl, I'm gonna go to the bank. Fuck this. Like, ooh, my bad, sir, my bad. That's embarrassing, but I lied. I'm at Walmart right now. I'm going to get a tripod. I'm finna be pissed off if this was a waste of my time. So just pray for me, sis. If you were wondering, they didn't have it, so this is why I didn't want to come here, but whatever. On my way to the bank, I probably don't talk to y'all until I get to the place. Until I get to the, I was gonna say post office. Sis, I don't know what I'm talking about. Until I get to the airport, I'm out of breath. Walmart just pissed me off, so I need to unwind. I wanted to get me a coffee, but I don't want to be wide awake on a 6-hour flight, so I'm not doing it. Oh, wow. All right, bye. Currently at the airport talking to myself. 12 and my flight leaves in 3 hours. I'm gonna take a nap. I look crazy.
That bad bitch has arrived.
Girl, I wanted to say that. You think I just fucking seen his ass one time and was like, yeah, I want to give him all of my money. Like, what? And then even if he was shitty, like, it's too late now. Extra as fuck, y'all. I had to put the damn chair in front of the door because I was scared for our safety. Oh, this is cute. I have a cute pool. It feels good out here. Oh shit, let me get out here. You can be I'm so nervous. I got a vlog on my phone because it's so awkward pulling out this camera and I can like fake act like I'm talking to somebody on FaceTime. So I'm just, that's what I'm doing right now. This office is so nice. I'm just getting these done. As you can tell, I only have the tops and I need my bottoms. But we are at Dr. Montoya. So I have to get numbed. I don't know if you can even hear me because it's loud as hell in here. They just cleaned my teeth. My face dry. So for the people that don't understand why I'm here, because I do have my tops done already, I'm coming to get my bottoms. So they match up and I could be a cute ass. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I'm here. I'm here with my friend Victoria. I don't even know if you can hear me, it's so loud in here. I'm here with my friend Victoria and she getting her tops and her bottoms done, period. And I wanted to get my bottoms done before my birthday basically. And before I went to Cancun, which I leave for Cancun on Tuesday, so this is perfect timing. I'm just so nervous though because when I had got my tops done, my teeth was so sensitive, like it hurt so bad, so I had to get shots in my mouth. And the shots hurt. But beauty is pain, I guess. We might go swimming later, but we don't know. It depends on how long this takes and how we feel afterwards because we have a 7 a.m. flight. So we gotta be there at 5, which means we have to go to sleep at like, who the fuck knows. But it's okay because I can honestly go to sleep on the plane. This office is so nice though. Period. Period. This says luxury dental. Cute. You said what? You said huh? You said who ate? I got shit all in my mouth. You said who ate what? Trying to order Starbucks, but I keep forgetting that like everybody speaks Spanish. So not only could I not order my Starbucks because no one understands me, I don't know where his office is, so I'm like lost and no one understands me. But I got a bag and fixed my teeth. So since I barely vlogged, I feel like I barely vlogged, I'm gonna give y'all a room tour because our room is kind of nice. They said this is like one of the best hotels out here, which says a lot because it's just alright, you know? It's real cute, but like to be the best, beside the point. So this is the bathroom. This is me in some boxers, don't mind me. This is the shower. I wish it was daytime so y'all could see the patio. The lights, I don't really know. It's kind of dim in here. So then we got this sink, our bartender will be here in a sec. JK. And then we got this dining room table. We got a couch. What happened? What? You just, yeah. Ooh. So then we should. That'd be cute. We need more lights though because the lighting in here sucks ass. So then we got our bed and the TV, but I really wanted to show y'all the shit outside, but wait, why couldn't I do that yesterday? Look how easy that just opened up. What the fuck? Oh. Makes sense. Let me get my phone because I have to. It's light out here. Wait, I think it's a light out here, bitch. This is so cute. I like this. And it's a tub. Nice and sexy. No bathing suits. This is so cute. You can't even see it, but it's 2 chairs right here and then a table. Girl, this is cute. I'm just gonna sleep out here. I look crusty in the face and I keep getting pimples. Victoria is about to have a date night. You ready, sis? Ready. Room service. Ooh, that looks so good. I'm starving. We just talk about how I don't speak Spanish. So not only do I not speak, I look crazy. Not only do I not speak Spanish, but they keep checking my fucking bags, like, and when I say checking them, I look ugly. But when I say checking them, it's not like a regular check. Like they like take all of my stuff out and like go through it. So I don't really know how to feel about that. We're at the airport right now though. And when I was going through, what is that? Border Patrol, no. What is it? I think immigration, I don't remember, but when I was coming to Cali, the fucking, I'm cursing a lot, but the dude that like, I guess it's immigration, girl, he fucking 30 questions me for starters, asking me what, I mean, I know that's what they supposed to do, but like, he was kind of being rude a little bit. Like, he asked me, like, what did I do? And I don't know why I told him I sold hair. Like, because I could have just said I'm unemployed, but whatever. So he goes, how do you sell hair if your hair's not done? I had my hair just like this. I said, sir, I'm just trying to catch this flight. Why are you trying to be funny? And then I had like $4,500 and now probably like $3,800 in cash because I was paying for my teeth in cash. And side note, usually I feel like some type of way, like vlogging in public, but they can't understand me anyway, so I don't get no fuck. Like me talking English, I feel like they already looking at me sideways because what the fuck is this bitch saying? But like on top of that, I'm recording myself, so I don't get no fuck. But anyways, yeah, so he goes through all of my cash and goes, yeah, we're gonna let you keep all of your cash. You don't have a fucking choice, because either you was gonna give me all of my cash or it wasn't gonna go. Let's talk about it. But yeah, hopefully we don't have to do that when we go to Fort Lauderdale, because that's where we got a layover in Fort Lauderdale. Wow, yeah, we have a layover in Fort Lauderdale, but mine is for 11 hours. So I'm just ready to be at home. And then I got another flight to catch on Tuesday. Girls trip. Ow. But bruh, trying to order food, like I'm fake a little hungry, but like trying to order food and you don't speak any fucking Spanish is like a struggle. So like as soon as I walk up, I'll be like, do you speak English? And they'll be like, either yeah, and it'll be like horrible English like my Spanish, or they'll be like no, and I'll just walk away because it's like I don't have the patience, I don't have the time. I'm irritated because I took Spanish for like I don't know how long and know nothing. But I want to brush up on my Spanish for Cancun. Like I want to say like little shit like yo quiero esto plato. It literally just means can I have this dish? Can I have this food? What a trip. I think when I get in Florida, I'm gonna give you my final thoughts on like my experience with Mario and whatnot. But I don't want to make the video too long. Here's Victoria. What is that, yogurt? I'm vlogging on my phone. Is it good?